Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that many developers face when working with JavaScript projects, specifically those using pnpm as their package manager. Have you ever encountered an error message saying, Node, modules is present when trying to install dependencies or run your project? If so, this video is for you. This topic is important because it can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're new to pnpm or haven't encountered this issue before. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what's causing this error and how to resolve it. In this video, we'll cover the reasons behind this error, the steps to diagnose and fix it, and some best practices to avoid running into similar issues in the future. So let's dive right in. The node modules is present error occurs when pnpm detects that there are existing node modules directories within your project. This might seem harmless, but it can actually cause problems with how dependencies are resolved and installed. When you run pnpm install, pnpm expects to have full control over the installation process. However, if there are pre-existing node modules directories, pnpm gets confused about which versions of packages to use. This leads to inconsistencies in your project's dependency tree, potentially causing errors or unexpected behavior. To resolve this issue, you'll need to remove the existing node modules directories and let pnpm reinstall the dependencies from scratch. You can do this by manually deleting the node modules folders or by running a command like pnpm install force. Now you might be wondering why these node modules directories are present in the first place. There could be several reasons for this. One by out. 1. Legacy projects. If your project was previously using npm or yarn as its package manager, it's likely that there were existing node modules directories left over from those installations. 2. pnpm cache issues. Sometimes pnpm's cache can get corrupted or outdated, leading to incorrect assumptions about the presence of node modules. 3. Parallel installs. If multiple developers are working on a project simultaneously and installing dependencies independently, it's possible for node modules directories to be created in parallel. Regardless of the reason, the solution is always the same: remove the existing node modules directories and let pnpm reinstall the dependencies from scratch. To summarize, the node modules is present error occurs when pnpm detects pre-existing node modules directories within your project. This error can cause inconsistencies in your dependency tree, leading to unexpected behavior or error. To resolve this issue, remove the existing node modules directories and let pnpm reinstall dependencies from scratch using a command like pnpm install. 4th, that's it for today's video. If you've encountered this error before, I hope this explanation has helped clarify things for you. If you're new to pnpm or haven't seen this issue before, now you know what to do if you encounter it in the future. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on JavaScript development and related topics. Thanks for watching.